AI influencers are blowing up right now. And the wild part is that many of them aren't even real people. No camera setup, no actors, no expensive production team. In this video, I'll show you how I created a cinematic AI influencer from scratch, generated realistic lifestyle videos using AI tools, and how beginners are turning this into a real online business in 2026. And the best part? You can start completely free today. Plus, if you check the link in the description, you can unlock Fanvue's free AI creator course. So let's get started. First, I opened ChatGPT and used this prompt. Create one ultra-realistic luxury lifestyle female AI influencer. First, generate one detailed master character description, including facial structure, skin texture, eye color, makeup style, hairstyle, age, fashion aesthetic, body proportions, and influencer vibe. After that, create 3 short scene prompts using the exact same character in different outfits and environments while keeping facial consistency. Once ChatGPT generated everything, it also gave me detailed cinematic animation prompts that we'll use later for the videos. Next, I went over to Vidu AI. I opened the text-to-image section and pasted the master character prompt directly into the generator. I kept most of the settings on default, selected my preferred image model, and clicked to generate. A few moments later, my AI influencer was ready. Then I clicked on the image and saved it inside the reference hub. I named the character Serena Vale and saved it. This step is super important because Vidu can now remember the character and keep her visually consistent in future generations. After that, I opened Reference to Image, selected my saved character, and pasted one of the short scene prompts from ChatGPT. Once I clicked Generate, Vidu created another realistic image of the same influencer but in a completely different outfit and location. I repeated the process for all remaining prompts, and within minutes, I had a full set of consistent influencer photos across multiple environments. Now came the fun part, animation. I opened Reference to Video, uploaded one of the generated images, and pasted in the cinematic animation prompt that ChatGPT created earlier. For the best quality, I recommend using the Vidu Q3 model with cinematic motion enabled. Then I clicked Generate. Within moments, the final cinematic AI video was finished. And honestly, the realism is insane. We now have a complete AI influencer with realistic motion, multiple scenes, and high-quality lifestyle content, all created entirely with AI. So how are people making money from this? Platforms like Fanvue allow creators to monetize AI influencers through subscriptions, premium content, exclusive posts, fan requests, and custom experiences. And you don't need millions of followers to get started. In fact, some creators are already building online income using simple AI workflows exactly like this. If you want to try it yourself, check the link in the description to sign up for Fanvue, access their free AI creator course, and keep 100% of your earnings for your first 7 days on the platform. Now let me quickly show you how to set everything up. First, click Sign Up and create your account using your email and password. Then verify your email address, choose your country, and select your creator category. For this example, I selected AI creator and lifestyle content. Next, create your influencer name and handle. After that, Fanvue will ask you to complete identity verification. This process helps protect creators, reduce fake accounts, and unlock monetization features on the platform. Once your verification is approved, your account is fully ready. From there, all you need to do is consistently upload content, videos, photos, lifestyle posts, and short clips for your AI influencer. And honestly, If you stay consistent and keep improving your content quality, there's a real chance you could start earning online much faster than you expect. And don't forget, if you use the link in the description, you'll unlock Fanvue's free AI creator course. So if you want to start building your own AI influencer brand in 2026, definitely check it out.